Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into settings and tapping on Bluetooth and devices. Now scroll down, click on printing and tap on default print service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. To use a different service, tap on the blue sweater at the top to disable the default one. Go back, select Add Service and install the best one for your printer. Then go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!